Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice math problem here. This is the order of operation problem, which is 1 minus 6 into the parentheses. This is 1 minus 6. So let's provide a solution from here. And you find that the answer to this problem is not equal to 25. So we have 1 minus 6 into the parentheses. This is 1 subtract 6. So this is 1 minus 6. Now, if you operate this directory, this means that here we have 1 minus 6. This is minus 5. So this is to mean 1 minus 6. This is minus 5 multiplied by minus 5. Now, if we do this way, this is minus 5 times minus 5. This means that this is equal to 25. And you find that this is not the solution to this problem. This is wrong. Now, let's apply the order of operation here, which is PEMDAS. So in this case, we have 1 subtract 6 into the parentheses. This is 1 subtract 6. So from the order of operation here, we have parentheses. We have parentheses here, which is 1 minus 6. Let's start with this first. So this is 1 subtract 6 into the parentheses. 1 minus 6. This is negative 5. So now we have 1 subtract 6 multiplied by negative 5. Now, here we have multiplication here. We have multiplication. Multiplication comes first. We have addition and subtraction. So let's operate the multiplication first. So we have negative 6 multiplied by negative 5. So this means we have 1. Negative times negative, this is plus. Then 6 times 5, this is equal to 30. And this implies that the solution here is equal to 1 plus 30, and this is equal to 31. So let me know your solution in the comment section.